Good morning, everybody. So we're going to be looking at the pre-market live. I have some news from Tilray. Tilray is going to acquire a hemp. Let's just read this article real quick. I'm just going to read the title actually. Tilray's to acquire a hemp food company, Manitoba Harvest, for up to $419 million. So I'm going to wait for this chat room to load up. I did start a little earlier today. And just so you guys know, I'm 17 subscribers away from 10,000, so this is super exciting. I doubt I'm gonna hit it on this live stream, but that would be amazing if I did. Good morning, Shay Griffin. Good morning, Clifford. Oh, there's my alarm. Good morning, Neurosis. Yes, Neurosis. What's going on? So yeah, we're gonna look at the markets real quick. Let's see how the pre-markets are doing. Right now it seems like Aurora hasn't made any movements. Aurora is just trading flat in the pre-markets. Canopy Growth, they're up 0.58%. Tilray is currently up 1.13% in the pre-market, so it's looking good for Canopy and Tilray. Let's just take a look at Kronos and all these other companies, see how they're doing in the pre-market. So you guys excited for today? I'm kind of nervous. I want to see how Kieran does today. Now I've jumped in the hype, the Neurosis hype. But unfortunately, I probably will be selling most of my shares. I know you're gonna disagree with me on that one, Neurosis. Good morning, Surjit. Good morning, Opinion Time. I wonder how that'll look on their next Q report. Good morning. Yeah. Good afternoon. It's afternoon, I guess, for you, Pika. Afria is climbing. Good job, bud. Smash the like button. Yes. So let's just start this video off with smashing that like button. So far, good afternoon. Well, I guess it's afternoon for some people. Let's see how Afria is doing. This is why I love these live streams, because you guys sometimes call these things out before I do. So I'm just going to check Afria real quick, how they're doing in the pre-market. So Afria actually, well, right now, according to this website, Afria is down 0.21%. I'm not sure where you're checking the pre-market. Maybe your website is different than mine. So yeah, Afria is down. CanTrust hits the New York Stock Exchange on February 25th. That's actually really good news. CanTrust is going to hit the New York Stock Exchange on February 25th. So that's a company to definitely have on your watch list, because most of the time when a company hits the New York Stock Exchange, except for Aurora being the exception, these companies seem to have a nice little run after that. So let's just take a look at CanTrust real quick. Right now, CanTrust is at $8.65, and PE ratio 57, market cap 855, shares outstanding 104 million. Not too bad. Honestly, that PE ratio is a little too high, but I won't be surprised to see that company push forward once it gets listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So that's something to keep in mind. Yes, almost at 10,000. I'm super excited. So on February 25th, that's a date to keep an eye on. CanTrust, who knows, that might be a potential for a good swing trade or a day trade. I don't know, to be honest. I think CanTrust will probably, I just don't like their PE ratio. It's a little high, but at least they're profitable. Afria just divested the rest of its Liberty Health shares. So you guys are bringing me the news today. Thank you guys. Let me just see the pre-market real quick. Let's see how Afria is doing, because someone said Afria is pushing forward. I want to see if they're doing any better right now. Man, why is my guy right here? Let's try to put this. I don't know. He's in the way. I'm in the way. So Afria right now. Let's take a look at Afria, how they're doing. Yeah, Afria is still trading at 2 cents in the pre-market. They're down 2 cents in the pre-market. Let's take a look at ACB. ACB is now down 1 cent in the pre-market. Nothing too major. Canopy is down 27 cents in the pre-market. Tilray is doing good, up 87 cents in the pre-market. I'm just gonna see what you guys are saying. It's going to be a green day. Yesterday, major investors bought hard on sellers to keep this sector flat. Hey, please do a tutorial on how we can get started on this. I actually do have a tutorial. If you look under my videos, just scroll down and you're going to see how to invest in 2019, or investing for beginners in 2019. So I do have a tutorial. So yeah, that I hope you're right. I hope we do have a green day today. Let's just look at Hexo, see how they're doing in the pre-market right now. Cause right now only Canopy and Tilray seem to be in the green. Let's see how Hexo is doing. Hexo is down 2 cents in the pre-market. How is Chronos doing in the pre-market? Whoops. Let's see how Chronos is doing. Chronos is currently trading. Oh no, that's not Chronos. My computer is just loading right now. Chronos is up 11 cents in the pre-market, so they're up 0.5%. Chronos is doing good in the pre-market. I want to see how FANG stocks are doing real quick, just to see how the whole market is doing. So Apple right now, let's see if they're up or down in the pre-market. Apple is currently, Apple's trading flat right now. No movement for Apple. How's Amazon doing? Let's see, AMZN. Amazon is currently, so Amazon's in the red right now. Netflix is currently, let's see how Netflix is doing. Netflix is in the red. So far the pre-market isn't looking that great. Average is okay, Chucky, it's going to be a green day. Hey, please do. Okay, so I've already read this. Do you know Sean Dollinger is on the board of BlizzCon? Kieran is going. Oh, my phone. That's my alarms. I gotta remove these alarms. I don't know why I still have them. These are from so long ago. You guys are typing too fast. I can't keep up. What's going to happen with Kieran? Honestly, I hope they have a green morning, because I do have half my shares right now of Kieran. I did a nice little day trade with Kieran. They had a really nice run yesterday. If I can't take a look at Kieran in the pre-market, but I'm hoping they have a good morning. Or either way, if they have a decline, I wouldn't be surprised to see a decline, because yesterday they had a huge run, but I have faith that they'll push back up after their decline. What's a break even? The break even was a year ago. What was it? Nothing is gonna happen. Kron is currently down in the pre-market. We're gonna take a look at them again. Hustler, your mic is a bit. Oh my God! Once again, my live stream health is bad. I could see it right now, guys. I don't know why this randomly happens. I don't know if it's YouTube, but sometimes my live stream health is good, sometimes it's bad. But thanks for letting me know. I don't know why it's showing that it's bad. Thank you. Neurosis. Kieran will be $8 to $10 by the year. I really don't know what to change it. Maybe I could turn off my PS4. Good morning, Mike. Kieran will. Thank you, Neurosis. Hey, I just got here from Kron. Looks good. Let's take a look at Kron again. Honestly, I wish there was something I could do about my live stream health, but I just noticed that sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. My internet's good, so it's just like it's random. Sometimes my live stream my health is good. So yeah, Chronos is up 0.5% in the pre-market right now. I don't know if you guys hear me well. I hate having these problems with my live stream. It really sucks. There's nothing I could really do right now unless I leave and then come back on again, but that gets kind of annoying. Today I'm watching PDSTI and GLDLF. What are you all watching? How about the news on ACB management shakeup? I haven't read that news. If you have the article, you could send it to me and we could check it out. I just got here. Crown looks good. Elizabeth share PPS price per share. Where do you everyone see Kieran? So yeah, no, I'm honestly hoping Kieran has a good morning. Let's take a look at these companies right now. So Canopy is still, actually, I'm gonna just exit all these things. Maybe that's why my account's being slow. I'm just gonna exit everything right now. I'm just gonna have 2 files open. So let's take a look at Aurora. Last time I checked, Aurora was trading flat in the pre-market. And yeah, I just turned on my computer, so maybe it's just being very slow right now. I do know it's going to be time for me to get another computer again, because I literally just bought this computer. So yeah, Aurora's trading flat. I don't know why. There's no movement for Aurora, and I don't know why I have so many alarms going off. Hexo. Let's see how Hexo's doing. Hexo's currently trading. Hold on, I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi off for these things. Yeah, no, my computer's being super slow this morning. So Hexo is currently, it's not even showing, it's currently down in the pre-market, down 2 cents, 0.35% for Hexo. It's not looking good for Hexo. Aurora's trading flat. I think Tilray, Canopy, and Kronos are the only companies in the pre-market, right? Up in the pre-market. So let's just see what you guys are saying on the chat. I think Canopy will take Kiron out at $8, but I hope that they don't, and Kiron just keeps going like a freight train. Yeah, Kiron just keeps pushing forward. Madman charts looking decent. What was the ACB news? Hustler, your mic is a bit choppy. Man, I honestly don't know what to do. I can either leave the live stream and then come back again, but that would mean I'd have to turn off my computer and turn it back on. My mic isn't bad, it's just the live stream. If you guys see it, the live stream health is very bad. YouTube is not receiving video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. So what do you guys think I should do? Do you guys think I should just exit this live stream, restart it? Because right now the live stream health is bad, so I can either restart everything or I could just continue the live stream like this. You guys let me know what you think I should do. Let's take a look at skies, because right now I really don't want to turn off my computer and turn it back on again, because that's just going to take so much time. I literally just turned on my computer. So Sky Solar, let's take a look at Sky Solar. So currently they're down 0.4, they're down 4.69% in the pre-market, so they're down 6 cents in the pre-market. Looking at their technical analysis, they're a sell, a buy, and a strong buy, so it's looking good, minus being down in the pre-market. Shares outstanding 419 million, market cap 67 million. But their price to revenue and price to sales is 1.13. I like that, so they have a very good valuation. I'm gonna see what you guys are saying, whether you think I should restart my computer or not. Don't worry, just happy to have you sharing. Better question, I guess, why invest in Kiron? This message, Neros is to the rescue. Okay, so here's the news on ACB. Why did I invest in Kiron? I made a video yesterday why I invested in them. It was more of a day trade slash swing trade, and it was kind of a gamble play, and so far it's worked out for me. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Awake. All your nations, educate everyone on why Kiron is such a beast. You know what? I actually read a very interesting article yesterday about Kiron. I was thinking of releasing a video on Kiron today. I don't want to do it now because apparently my live stream is not very well. The health is bad and my volume is choppy. So I'm gonna make a video on Kiron today, since a lot of people seem to be very interested. Some people are saying it's not choppy for them. Some people are saying it is. Maybe just rewind the live stream a little and it might play better. Or Neurosis can educate you guys on this live stream, because he seems to know a lot about Kiron. So okay, let's take a look at AVGR. So yeah, I was just looking at Sky's SKYS, and I do think that this company is a pretty good company. I do like their valuation. Technical analysis says they're a buy, but don't gamble on technical analysis. So let's look at what was that company, AVGR. Let's see how AVGR is doing. AVGR, Avinger. Yeah, my computer is super slow today. So AVGR is currently down 1.17% in the pre-market. Technical analysis, it's a buy. We'll look at technical analysis a little more. So according to technical analysis, it's a buy, and a neutral. Let's look at their shares outstanding, 11.5 million, market cap 10 million. So this is a very small company, so it has a lot of potential for growth. I like the price to revenue, 1.38, price to sales 1.08. It's very good price to revenue, very good price to sales. I like this company. A lot of green flags here. It's just right here looking at the chart, it had a huge decline. Let's look at their 1 year chart real quick, see how they did in the 1 year. So yeah, in the 1 year, wow, it looks like they had a huge decline. So this is a company that it could either easily bounce back, or it could be going bankrupt. You're gonna have to do some homework on this company and find out why this company has been declining for the past year, because that's a scary pattern. I know a lot of people like to catch a company when it's on its 52-week low, but what if you're catching a company on its 52-week low and it's about to go bankrupt? So, and it's a penny stock now. This went from being a $12 company to a penny stock. So at the same time, I like its valuations, but it's a very risky company because it could easily go bankrupt and all the way down to zero. So so yeah, let's see what else you guys have to say. We're hearing you 97% accurate. Stay here. All right, that's good. I'm just gonna tough it out this live stream. Probably our programs are probably running in the background. I try to close everyone. Frozen and no sound. Oh man. What's the deal with these guys? Think they can go back up? Accent Industry Corp, ASNT. I'll look at ASNT real quick. Honestly, if I'm a little choppy, try to rewind the live stream a bit. I feel like I'm always having problems with my live stream. Either it's volume or something's going on. Right now my live stream health is bad. So if you guys are having problems, just rewind. Sorry guys. I'm gonna try to get this fixed. Some of my live streams go well and smooth, some of them don't. So Ascent, this is another company. It went from being almost $1 down to being 12 cents. Let's look at it right now. If you look at their technical analysis, it's a sell, a strong sell, and a strong sell. So 1 minute it's a buy and a strong sell. Let's look at their valuations real quick. Market cap 33 million, shares outstanding 306 million, price to sales 3.3, price to book 1.04. It doesn't look bad. Like, it's the valuations don't look bad, but once again, it's like, why did this company decline so much? That for that you're gonna have to do some research. Just by looking at this chart, it's a fairly new company. It came out in 2018, so it hasn't even been around for it's almost, I think it's only been around for a year. So it's a fairly new company. It's tough to call right now, but it is in the 52-week range. It's a gamble. It could easily bounce back up with some good news, but I don't know. You'd have to really do some research and find out why this company declined. Yes, subscribe guys. Let's see what my subscriber count is at. I have 17 more subscribers and I reached 10,000, so I'm excited for that. Can you look at BGRD? Okay, let's take a look at BGRD. BGRD. So Brand Grid Limited. So BGRD is currently no pre-market for them. I can't even pull up anything on this company. I don't know if this must be like a fairly new IPO, because there's literally nothing. Okay, right here, market cap 4.45 million, shares 8.615 million. I don't think this company has reported earnings yet, so there's no price to revenue, there's no price to sales. This is way too new of a company. I think it just recently IPO'd. It must have. So there's really nothing I can do by looking at these charts. Maybe the only thing that I can get from it, let's look at the 1 minute charts real quick, is that even the 1 minute charts, you see those charts, it's almost impossible to see what's gonna happen with this company. At this point, it's a gamble. It could go either way. It's way too new of an IPO. So yeah, I bought MetaPharm. I would like to buy MetaPharm today as well. Scotty, has anyone seen them or heard them? Keep the stream going. It sounds fine. Okay, yeah, they are. So those CR. Check his recent videos. You want to see the puppies? I could show you guys the puppies real quick. Where's the other guy? Say hi. They're growing every day. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, also if you want to see a better quality, my puppies, they're in my video where it's how much do small YouTubers make, and I show my puppies there a few times. I have NBEV, can hear you perfect. Okay, so at least some people can hear me perfectly, some people can't. It just sucks because my live stream health, you can see it's red right here. It says video output is low. What can I do at this point? Today I'm buying some. Where's my bike? Read the news. Health Canada took their license away. Health Canada took whose license away? That's no good. So let's just take a look at Aurora real quick, see how they're doing in the pre-market. Aurora Cannabis. So I don't know why Aurora is not trading right now in the pre-market. There doesn't seem to be any movement. If anyone knows why, let me know, because right now Aurora has not made any movement at all in the pre-market. Canopy Growth is currently down now. I think Canopy Growth was up. Canopy Growth is now down 17 cents in the pre-market. Let's look at Chronos real quick, how they're doing in the pre-market. Chronos is currently let's see, Chronos is still up 0.5% in the pre-market. Let's see how Afria is doing. Afria is now down it's still down 0.21% in the pre-market. It looks like now we're starting to decline a little, because some of these companies, Canopy was up and now they're down in the pre-market. Let's see how Hexo's doing in the pre-market. Hexo is down 0.35%. I think Tilray was up, but so let's see how Tilray is doing now in the pre-market. I just like to look at these companies because these companies seem to move the market, and it pretty much determines how everyone else will do. Hexo is now down in the pre-market, so these companies were up in the pre-market, now they're starting to decline. But once again, that means nothing. They could easily start the day off red and then just continue to push forward almost immediately or throughout the day. So let's see what you guys are saying. Subscribe to my channel, D Squad. Subscribe. You know what, I'll show that. It doesn't matter if you guys wanna okay, but don't spam it, come on. Potential suspension of business license. Who's I will buy today, ASNT. Please check this out. VGWCF. So yeah, guys, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Even though I have a bad live stream, don't leave me a thumbs down. So VGWTF. Okay, if I miss your request, don't forget to don't be shy to spam your request until I see it. Oh shit, VGWTF, I think. Let's take a look at VGWTF. I don't know. I lost your thing. There's too much people typing. You need a puppy. You need a YouTube puppy stream. Maybe I could start a puppy channel. Okay, I'm gonna look at BDSI. I couldn't find your ticker symbol. Just type it in again if I missed it. I'm sorry. We're limited on time right now. 14 minutes till the market's open, guys. So let's look at BDSI. BDSI, Biodelivery Sciences, currently down 2 cents in the pre-market, down 0.41%. According to technical analysis, they're a strong buy. Shares outstanding 70 million, market cap 340 million. So this is going to be a fairly volatile company, which is good for swing traders because they have a small amount of shares outstanding. So let's look at their okay, so their price to revenue is a 6.7, not bad. Price to sales 5.4, also not bad. Price to book is 30, that's a little high, but this isn't a bad company. Let's look at their 52-week range. The only problem is they're right at the top of their 52-week range. So at this point, if you're investing in this company, you would be chasing a stock because they're literally at their all-time highs. So there's a lot more green flags versus red flags. But it'll be your choice. It's a tough call because I personally don't like investing in companies when they're at the top of their 52-week highs, even though I break that rule sometimes. For example, with Kiron, I broke that rule. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, guys. My computer is probably it has to do with my computer. I'm gonna have to get a new computer. It's been a rough month. I've been spending a lot of money, especially on like the puppies and everything. So yeah, I'll get this fixed soon. Let's see, JG until Hustler gets back. What do you mean? You guys aren't seeing me right now? It's until Hustler gets back. JG. Oh, I guess you guys are a little behind because you guys are seeing me get the puppies. Okay, let's see how JG is doing. I'm not sure if you're looking at Japan Gold or Aurora Mobile LTDS. I'm guessing Japan Gold. Let's take a look at Japan Gold, JG. So JG is currently a penny stock. currently a buy in technical analysis. Shares outstanding 68 million, market cap 30 million. A lot of potential for growth. Only thing is it's near the top of its 52-week high. Price to book is at 2.74. This one's also a coin toss. There is no price to revenue, no price to sales. I guess it's a Japan Gold Corp. It's hard to tell from the charts, but it is near the top of its 52-week high. I would probably wait for a dip before jumping in, because it does seem to be already on a nice run. So let's look at let's see. I'm keeping my ABC and buying some Kiron. Everyone's jumping on that Kiron train. Make sure you guys do your homework with Kiron. T-God is correcting. Well, honestly, I feel like T-God already had such a nice dip that I feel like they should be pushing forward anytime soon. Let's take a look at T-God. T-God is currently down at 362. They're near the bottom of their 52-week range, so but they might start declining. Who knows? I personally think that T-God eventually will go back up to $5, but this is a stock that you got to be patient with. T-God, they've had a lot of problems here and there, but LOL spam comment. How do you get your watch screen? What do you mean, how do I get my watch screen? Like, I go to tradingview.com. You guys are commenting fast. It's hard to keep up. What's up, Lucas? HSTRF, all is working now. Okay, let's look at HSTRF. It still looks like my live stream health is bad. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna HST. Oh, I can't even type these ticker symbols right. HSTRF. I'm pretty sure that's what you wanted. So this is definitely Aurora Cannabis Corp. So this is an American pot company. Definitely something I never had on my watch list. Penny stock. That's one red flag. Technical analysis, it's a buy. Market cap 30 million, shares outstanding 102 million. Price to book 71. So it's a pretty high price to book. It's a penny stock. What can I say? It's a coin toss. As you can see, this company has had like some weird runs right here. They had huge spikes and then declines, huge spikes and then declines. It almost looks like this company has been either it's a pump and dump or it's been manipulated. So it's a tough call. Then it's been trading pretty flat. I mean, what happens if you hold on to it and then you get one of those huge spikes again? But these spikes don't seem to last long. They're literally 5-minute spikes. So it does seem like a manipulated stock, so that's a tough one to call. Are you sure it's a good time to sell ACB? I never said sell ACB. I've already sold my ACB shares when they were pushing forward. I'm still holding onto a core position of ACB, and I'm honestly hoping to buy some more ACB if it continues to decline. But I can hear you. I'm frozen, but you can hear me. Sorry guys, honestly, my live streams have been like pretty wacky lately. I'm gonna have to definitely fix it. 15 more subscribers till I reach 10,000, guys. 10,000, that's gonna be an amazing milestone. Yeah, Planet 13, they're supposed to be announcing earnings. I have not got any news from Planet 13. I don't know why they're not announcing their earnings. It's really disappointing that they haven't said anything about that. But honestly, I have faith in Planet 13. I'm still holding on to shares. I'm still in the green with Planet 13. So I say you just got to be a little patient with that company. If you don't mind me asking, I've been holding them for a while. What have you been holding for a while? It's kind of hard to scroll this chat room because I don't know what you guys are saying. Let's see what else. So 48 North. I was lucky to get a Kiron at $2. You must have listened to Neurosis, and that would have been a smart move because right now you're sitting in the green. Although Kiron has had a huge run, a huge run. I think I've looked at 48 North a lot of times. This is let's just look at them before I make an assumption. I know I have, but I always get 48 North and Supreme Cannabis mixed up. I don't know why. They're not even anything. They're not even similar. So 48 North. 48 North Cannabis Corp. Is this 48 North right here? So 48 North currently sitting at 62 cents. This is a fairly new company as well. I think they IPO'd last year on July, and they are trading, I guess, near the middle of their 52-week range, so it is a coin toss. Let's look at their financials. I like that they have small share dilution, small market cap, so this company has a lot of room to grow. The only thing I don't like is their price to revenue is up at 78. That's pretty high. But honestly, there's some marijuana companies with their price to revenue up in the hundreds, and they still continue to push forward. So it's a tough call. No doubt, Elizabeth. T-God only at 60%. Yeah, exactly. T-God, you're going to have to be patient with T-God. What is your top robotic stock? I don't even have a robotic stock, to be honest. If you guys have any suggestions on robotic stocks that I could look at, is ACB a good 2020 investment? Well, ACB, I won't be buying ACB until they go below $8 Canadian. That's what I'm hoping for. Obviously, a lot of people want ACB to continue to push forward, but I just want ACB to continue to dip. That way I could buy back all my shares. At one point, I used to hold on to 3,700 ACB shares, and then prior to legalization, I've been slowly getting rid of all my shares, and luckily I did, because you guys seen what happened to ACB. And then once it got legal, ACB took a nice dip, and I started buying. I think I bought back 1,000 at one point, and then I sold off 750. So I've been like swing trading ACB for the longest time, and I do want to buy back ACB. I feel like I miss my shares whenever I sell them. Which US companies would I suggest? There is a US company. I would have to see what company it is. But I don't like suggesting companies because legally I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't like telling you guys what to buy. But I'll tell you guys what I do own that's American. I do own Planet 13, but I won't be buying Planet 13 unless they dip more, because right now I'm in the green, and I hate buying a stock when I'm averaging up. I'll only average down on a company. I'll tell you what American companies I own right now. So yeah, the market's open in 5 minutes, guys. Let me just see what American companies I own right now. So one of them is Kushco Holdings Inc. I really like this company. I really like their valuations. I guess we could talk about them right now real quick. Kushco Holdings Inc. It's a American marijuana company that obviously Kushco, you could tell that's an American company. But let's see Kushco Holdings Inc. I'll just evaluate them. But this is one of my favorite American companies right now. They're currently sitting at 5.85%. I've been swing trading this company because, as you can see, they're really volatile. So I've been buying at these points, selling, buying, selling, buying. I recently bought back again in the recent dip. No, is this, yeah, so is this the right Kushco? Let me make sure it's the right ticker symbol. Yes, it is. So Kushco Holdings Inc. Right now, according to technical analysis, they are a buy. Shares outstanding 78 million. So I like how they have a small share dilution. It's going to make it very volatile. Market cap 510 million. And look at their price to revenue. It's a 7.4. Price to sales 9.8. Price to book 5.4. So I like their valuation. This is just an American company that I currently own. I don't recommend anyone to buy it. I will, if I were to buy back into Kushco Inc., I would wait until it goes below 575, 580. Obviously it's not that much higher than that price, but once again, this is just for educational and entertainment purposes. This is a company that I like. I don't recommend anyone buying it. It's, at the end of the day, everything is a risk, and you could easily make money or lose money with that. Let me know what you guys think about Kushco Inc. Oxley, man. Oxley has been beat up so much. I actually love Oxley. Well, I like them because I made some money off them, but I like them at these prices, 70 something cents. But even if at these prices, if you look at their valuations, they're still a little overvalued, which kind of sucks because I like this company. It just, on paper, they don't look good. They do look good because they're at the bottom of the 52-week range. Technical analysis says it's a sell. Market cap is 448 million, which sucks because they're a penny stock. Shares outstanding 500,000. So that also